Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome back to Talk Barca. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, we will be discussing about Laporta's damning assessment of Elash's situation, Ronald Koeman sending a clear message to Umtiti and Braithwaite, current updates on Messi's renewal, and also talking about the match Barcelona versus RB Salzburg, all coming up in today's video. So sit back and relax and let's get on with it. Let's first move on to the words Laporta had to say about Elash Moriba. We all know about the character of Joan Laporta. He's not someone who's going to be staying shy and reserved during these type of situation. He is going to be bold and direct. Laporta has said he will not be allowed to move on free in the summer of 2022. He said, "We'll try this case not to repeat itself. He has a year left and he doesn't want to renew. It's a situation we don't accept and we have to act. He's a great player and if he doesn't renew, he knows he will have other solutions. We don't want players who we have made at home who don't want to renew with a year left. He has been given other opportunities, but the club is our wall and they can't make this kind of move on us." Laporta hopes the situation can be recovered. Laporta further added, "I feel bad that he doesn't recognize what we have done for him. We won't let him leave for free. Whoever wants to leave is free to do so, but with certain conditions. Unfortunately, that's how it is. As we have already discussed in our previous video, he is a promising young player, but we have to wait and see how the situation gets resolved." Now talking about Ronald Koeman sending a clear message to Umtiti and Braithwaite, we all know the club are desperate to shift some heavyweights and to get some players out of the wage bill. Umtiti and Braithwaite are among those players. They were an unused sub during the match against Stuttgart. Ronald Koeman is trying to send a message to these players that if you are not part of the plans, you won't be getting minutes. We also know Umtiti wants to stay and he believes he is more agile and quicker than the previous seasons. But the club are, to be honest, not interested. They want Umtiti to be sold, and deep down, Umtiti knows that his future lies outside the club. But the problem for the club right now is to find a suitable buyer for him. And Ronald Koeman is trying to make a statement that if you won't accept what's on the table, you will face the consequences of not getting much minutes in the upcoming season. Now moving on to the Messi's renewal. He was seen a few days back in Barcelona, but it was just a short stop. The club are very much confident that Messi will stay in the club in the upcoming season. And if nothing gets complicated, the club are trying to make sure that Messi is available for Sunday's Joan Gamper Trophy and is presented as club captain. Following on Messi's renewal, Joan Laporta did say, "We are working on it. This haven't been completely resolved yet, but it is progressing well. We are doing everything we can within our capacity and I continue to see high chances of Messi staying." And according to journalists Mateo Moreto and Gerard Romero, the club believes Messi's continuity does not depend on the exit of Antoine Griezmann. The Frenchman could stay and play with Leo Messi this season. However, the club are still waiting to see if Atletico will present an offer for the player. Now moving on to the match, Barcelona versus RB Salzburg. But before that, let's talk about the lineup Ronald Koeman did use against Stuttgart. It was Neto in goal. The defense consisted of Dest, Lenglet, Piqué and Roberto. In midfield, it was Nico, Gavi and Frenkie de Jong. And the front line consisted of Memphis Depay, Yusuf Demir, and leading the line, it was Antoine Griezmann. Now let's discuss the lineup Ronald Koeman could opt for against RB Salzburg. I think it will be Iñaki Peña in goal. This time, Alejandro Balde on the left and Dest will be shifted to the right-hand side. He wasn't comfortable in playing in the left-hand side against Stuttgart. We might see Ronald Araujo and Gerard Piqué as our two centre-backs. In midfield, I think it will be Nico Gonzalez, De Jong and the 16-year-old Gavi, who is having a brilliant pre-season so far, and Ronald Koeman is very much impressed by him. Although I would love to see Riqui Puig playing the full 90 minutes. And up front, I think it will be the same trio we saw against Stuttgart, Depay and Demir on the wings, and leading the line, Antoine Griezmann. We have to wait and see what lineup Koeman does opt for in the end. Barcelona did make it 3 wins in a row. It would be great if they can make it 4 in a row. This is the penultimate preseason match. Hope Barca can finish the preseason on a high. So that is it for today's video, guys. Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below of what do you think about the Elash Moriba situation and when do you think Messi will be renewing with the club. Up till then, don't forget to like, share, comment and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.